Good morning, my friends. Today I am going to tell about the important formulas of chapter mensuration for class 10th. I am today only telling about the solid ones like solid cylinder, cone, solid hemisphere. In this, the curved surface area of the solid cylinder is 2 pi rh. The radius for the cylinder is this, and the height for the cylinder is this. I- In this pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7. If in the question the radius is given in even digits, then the value of pi you can use is 3.14. Total surface area for solid cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r, and it finds the complete area which it covers. Volume of solid cylinder pi r square h. It tells about the quantity a cylinder can contain. The example for a solid cylinder is a gas cylinder in our homes. Now come on cone. The curved surface area for a cone is pi r l. The L is a slant height. This is, and the height for the cone is this, and the radius this part. The formula for the slant height is square root r square plus h square, which is very useful in curved surface area and total surface area. Uh, the total surface area for cone is pi r l plus r, and L represents the slant height which is necessary in both curved surface area and total surface area. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and it tells about the complete quantity of a container in a shape of cone. And never dare to take a slant height in volume, otherwise your question will be wrong. Curved surface area for a solid hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and most important thing is curved surface area is also known as lateral surface area. Total surface area for solid hemisphere is area covered by that hemispherical object. Volume for solid hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, and it tells the volume that it may contain. Now let's see an example of by taking a question. This question states that the adjoining figure represents a hemisphere surmounted by a conical block of wood. The diameter of their bases is 6 cm, and the slant height of the cone is 5 cm. Calculate the height of the cone. First we have to find the height of the cone, and the second the volume of the solid, means total volume that this body contains. Solution for this question is, take d is equal to 6 cm, then r will be d by 2 is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3 cm. Let height of the cone is equal to h. Then the formula for the slant height, which we have written in the past, is equal to h square root h square plus r square. Then slant height is given as 5 cm. 5 cm is equal to root h square plus root 3 square. Then the 25 is equal to h square plus 9. H square is equal to 25 minus 9 is h square is equal to 60. H is equal to 4. Then the volume of this solid body. In this we will only take the h which is found here as 4, not the slant height, which I have told you earlier. Volume of the solid body is equal to volume of the cone and volume of the hemisphere. The volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 1 by 3 pi r square h and 2 by 3 pi r cube, तो 12 पाई 3 से 3 कैंसिल होगा, फिर इंटू 12 पाई हो जाएगा, और 3 से 3 ये कैंसिल होगा तो 18 पाई हो जाएगा. तो 18 प्लस 12 30 पाई. पाई की वैल्यू हमने यहाँ पर इवन इसलिए ली है क्योंकि यहाँ पर h की वैल्यू दी हुई है इवन डिजिट, which is very useful for you in solving the question. 30 into 3.14 is equal to 94.2. This is the volume of this whole solid body. Thank you for watching my video.